New Arcusen Multipack D14 Bale Bundler. It sounds like an innovative and efficient solution for handling agricultural tasks related to bundling and collecting materials like hay and straw. The improvements and developments in the D14 model, such as faster working speeds and the ability to collect unevenly placed bundles, are undoubtedly valuable for farmers and machine operators. Having the pickup located to the right of the tractor's direction of travel can enhance convenience and ease of use, as the driver can have better visibility and control during the bundling process. Bale bundlers play a crucial role in modern agriculture, making the harvesting and storing of crops more manageable and cost-effective. It's great to see that the Multipack D14 aims to address the specific needs of farmers and operators while improving overall efficiency. If anyone is interested in learning more about the Multipack D14, I would recommend reaching out to the manufacturer or checking their website for detailed specifications and further information about the product's capabilities. EQAGN PZ8831 triple drum mower is a well-known agricultural machine used for mowing hay and other similar crops. The mower is equipped with 3 drums or cutting units that efficiently cut the vegetation as the machine moves forward. However, it appears you are referring to a unique feature of this mower called reverse drive. Reverse drive is a feature in some modern mowers that allows them to be operated in both forward and reverse directions. This feature can be particularly useful when mowing in tight spaces or maneuvering around obstacles. It enables the operator to back up and make sharp turns without needing to turn the mower manually. The EQAGN PZ8831 with reverse drive offers enhanced versatility and convenience to the operator. ROPA Panther 2S. The Panther 2S is part of the Panther series, which includes various models with different specifications and features. The ROPA Panther 2S is specifically designed for efficient and precise harvesting of sugar beets. Sugar beet harvesting can be a challenging task due to the root crop's delicate nature, and the Panther 2S aims to streamline this process and maximize productivity. Key features of the ROPA Panther 2S may include: 1. Self-propelled design. The machine is equipped with its own engine and wheels, allowing it to move independently through the field during the harvesting process. This design provides greater mobility and reduces the need for additional equipment or vehicles. 2. Harvester head. The Panther 2S is equipped with a specialized harvester head that carefully lifts the sugar beets from the ground, separates them from the soil, and conveys them into the machine for further processing. 3. Cleaning and separation. Once the sugar beets are collected, the harvester's internal mechanisms clean and separate the beets from any excess soil and debris, preparing them for storage and transportation. 4. High-capacity storage. The Panther 2S typically features a large onboard storage capacity to minimize downtime during the harvesting process, allowing for continuous operation and higher productivity. 5. Advanced technology. Modern sugar beet harvesters like the Panther 2S often incorporate advanced technology for better precision, efficiency, and data management, enabling operators to optimize their harvesting operations. Keep in mind that specific features and specifications of the ROPA Panther 2S may vary depending on the model year and any updates or improvements made by the manufacturer. To obtain the most current and detailed information about the ROPA Panther 2S, I recommend visiting ROPA's official website or contacting their authorized dealers or representatives. The Vicon Extra 600. The Vicon Extra 600 series is a range of rotary mowers for the agricultural machinery manufacturer Vicon. These mowers were designed to provide efficient and reliable grass cutting. The series includes various models with different working widths to meet the needs of farmers and contractors. Einfach bedienen translates to easy operation in English, and it is a prominent feature considered in the design of the Vicon Extra 600 series. It means that these mowers are equipped with user-friendly features and controls to make the operation as straightforward and comfortable as possible. Some features that contribute to the easy operation of the Vicon Extra 600 series may include 1. *** intuitive controls ***. The mowers are designed with easily understandable controls and displays that allow the operator to manage the machine effortlessly. 2. *** robust construction ***. The mowers are built to withstand the demanding use in agriculture and offer reliable performance over extended periods of use. 3. *** easy maintenance ***. The Vicon Extra 600 mowers may be designed for easy maintenance and servicing, minimizing downtime and keeping the machine in optimal condition. 4. *** adaptability ***. The mowers might have various adjustment options to adapt to the specific conditions and requirements of the users. 5. *** safety features ***. Carrot harvesting into boxes with CM1000. Carrot harvesting can be a labor-intensive process, and various machines and equipment are used to make it more efficient. One common machine used for carrot harvesting is the mechanical carrot harvester. These machines are designed to lift the carrots from the ground, remove the foliage, and convey the carrots to a collection point or container. Carrot harvesters can have various configurations, and some are equipped with conveyor systems that deposit the harvested carrots into boxes or containers for easy transportation and storage. These machines are typically designed to be gentle on the carrots to minimize damage and ensure a high-quality harvest. While the CM1000 is not a familiar product in my knowledge, newer developments in agricultural machinery may have led to the introduction of specialized equipment for carrot harvesting. If you are looking for specific information about the CM1000 or any other carrot harvesting equipment, I recommend checking the manufacturer's website or contacting agricultural machinery suppliers for the most up-to-date information and details on their products. Stinger 8500. It seems that the Stinger Stacker 8500 is a specialized bale stacker designed for handling ultra-dense square bales in the agricultural industry. It combines popular features from previous Stinger models with enhancements to improve performance and efficiency while reducing overall costs. Key features and advantages of the Stinger Stacker 8500 may include: 1. Designed for ultra-dense square bales. The Stinger Stacker 8500 is specifically tailored to handle the demands of ultra-dense square bales, which can be heavier and more challenging to handle compared to standard bales. 2. Increased capacity. The machine is designed to handle a higher number of bales, leading to increased productivity and reduced downtime during the stacking process. 3. Increased flotation and traction. Improved flotation and traction capabilities enable the Stinger Stacker 8500 to maneuver effectively, even in challenging terrains or field conditions. 4. Higher speed and horsepower. With increased speed and horsepower, the bale stacker can work more efficiently, completing tasks faster and reducing operational costs. 5. Cost-effective solution. The Stinger Stacker 8500's design aims to optimize performance while minimizing overall operating costs, making it a cost-effective solution for handling ultra-dense square bales. 6. Class-leading design. The machine's unique features and capabilities set it apart from other bale wagons in the market, putting it in a class of its own. The Stinger Stacker 8500's combination of enhanced features and performance suggests it is a reliable and efficient option for handling ultra-dense square bales, catering to the needs of modern agriculture. Super G Double Roll Plus Dirt Sorter. The G89 93rd Series tomato harvesters are a continuation and improvement of the highly successful G89 model, which played a significant role in revolutionizing tomato harvesting during the 1990s. These machines have gained widespread appreciation globally due to their exceptional production capacity and reliability. The success of the G89 93rd series is attributed to continuous development efforts and the use of high-quality materials and components in their construction. Key features and benefits of the G89 93rd series tomato harvesters may include: 1. Increased production capacity. The G89 93rd series is designed to handle a substantial volume of tomatoes during the harvesting process, leading to improved efficiency and higher yields for farmers. 2. Reliability and durability. The use of top-quality materials and components ensures that these harvesters can withstand the rigors of continuous operation in challenging agricultural conditions, contributing to their overall reliability and longevity. 3. Constant development and improvement. The G89 93rd series is the result of continuous research and development efforts aimed at enhancing performance, efficiency, and user-friendliness based on user feedback and technological advancements. 4. Global recognition. The widespread appreciation of these tomato harvesters is a testament to their effectiveness and suitability for various tomato farming regions worldwide. 5. Advancements in technology. The G8993 series may incorporate the latest technological advancements in harvesting machinery, making them more efficient and user-friendly. These tomato harvesters are likely to continue serving as crucial tools for tomato farmers, helping them increase productivity and streamline their operations. If you are interested in specific technical details or more recent updates about the G8993 series, I recommend reaching out to the manufacturer directly or visiting their official website for the most up-to-date information.